If you own a WordPress website and you want to learn how to create banners, this video will be for you. So this is the dashboard of one of my WordPress websites. Now, pretending I want to create a banner, I already have as much as I would like for this particular one, and I will encourage you not to overflood yours with too many banners. One tip I'll give you though, do keep it relevant to the content. So if your website's about dresses, don't have a banner about kites, for example. I know it's a funny analogy, but hopefully it will drive the point home. So this is your dashboard, pretending that this is it. Then you go along this panel all the way down to you're looking for, I think it's appearance. Yes, it is appearance. And you want to go to widgets. You click on widgets. And then you look for something like this when the page loads that will tell you sidebar. For example, you want to have your information, your new banner on the side. So you just go down to custom. I've got custom here. And what I did was, when this page first loaded, I didn't have many customs. Maybe I had about one or two. You just go over here where you find available widgets. Just lift, take it, and just plant it anywhere you want. When you let go, it plants, but I don't want to let go. So I'll put that over there. But yeah, I could for the purpose of this. So say I put it under there. So you see, it's now planted itself. And there it is. It's going to ask you for a title. With banners, I don't put a title. I don't think it's relevant. Then I go over here to my affiliate page. It depends what affiliate program you're with. You just collect your widgets from there. That's what they're called. So I'll take this one, for example. This is just an example. I don't want to keep it. So I upload the whole thing. Let me make sure I've saved the whole thing. I've copied the whole thing. You could either download it or copy it. In this case, I choose to copy and paste. That would be the Control C. Sorry, my hand blocking it. You put it in here. Let's see, my control button was not working in the past. No, it's still not working. So you paste it there, really. And once you paste it there, you go down. So let's pretend I pasted it. Mine is not working right now, and it just occurred to me doing this video, but that's not going to ruin a perfectly good video. You click save. Yeah, done, to just shut it down. And then you don't have to scroll up, that's just me. You go to your name of your page at the top here. Mine is Branding 101 Book. Visit site. And then you will find the banner you have just posted on the right hand side. See? It's as simple as that. If you get stuck at any point, just stop and try it again. Just a few tries and you should successfully be able to post a banner or two. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, just post your comments, ask me your questions, and I should be able to get back to you and help you out. Thank you. Bye.